Well, 2020 has sure thrown us a curve, but we've got a great solution. My friends at Campbell's knew that this was the 25th anniversary of the holiday seminars at Campbell's with Jay. And because of this pandemic, I can't be there with you, which makes me sad because I know each and every one of you would be in your spot and we'd get to visit and we'd get to chat. And so we put our heads together and decided the best way to do this was to bring the Christmas seminars to you. That's right. The people at Campbell's picked out 5 different looks and shipped them to me here in Michigan. And I've created Christmas seminars online. We've got 5 different seminars, and we'll look at a different look in each one of those seminars, and we'll create fun things together. You can grab your favorite beverage, coffee, cocoa, apple cider, wine, whatever you wish. Dress in your cozy pajamas and sit down and watch the Campbell seminars with Jay in your own home. It's going to be a private lesson with you and me. And we're going to create these and post them online. So you can find them on the Campbell's Facebook page, or you can find them on my YouTube channel. And here's the premiere dates. Let me share them with you. We're going to post a new video on the 6th, one on the 7th, one on the 8th, one on the 13th, and one on the 14th. You can watch them in any order you want, and you can watch them over and over again. I'll be hosting them at noon on those dates, so you can ask questions and we can even chat together. That's a special feature on YouTube. I'm looking forward to sharing it with you this way. I'm sorry we can't be together, and you better believe it. Next year, we're going to have a huge party at Campbell's to celebrate 26 and to celebrate being together forever. Let's have a Merry Christmas virtually with your friends at Campbell's and the holiday seminars.